Okay, so today is 22nd of October. Uh, Today I have taken two trades. Uh, that's on pound yen. And both trades were lost. So here today I'll explain that how to handle losses and how to accept the losses, because not every day you're going to win in the market, and not every day you're going to see a movement that you expect market to do. So let's jump to the chart and see what my thought process of was when I came to the chart and why did I execute it on this trade. So when I came to the chart, so I saw a daily candle that was completely bullish. 4 hour was printing something like this. It was open, it was not closed. Then I jumped to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame created a resistance, and we have a clean price action to the left hand side. So let me just open my Pinto up. Yeah. So what happened is when I came to the chart, I saw price was at this area. So I said to myself, okay, that we have created a high. Price has created this support. And if price has created a high, price should continue pushing to the upside since we are in an uptrend. So if you look at this, we are in an uptrend, and since price are making higher highs and higher lows, price should keep on doing the same thing. But what price did was, instead of making high highs and high lows, price broke this support. This candle closed below this support, and this was pre-London session. And then I talk to myself, okay, if we are breaking below this support, then what's the probability of price going up versus down? And this candle, right now, it's difficult to judge that or to say that this was a good sell or a bad sell. But when I came to the chart, I saw this candle, it wicked up and it started breaking low of this candle. So when this happened, if you see my previous trades, you can see that whenever this kind of movement happen, you have a clean price action to the left hand side. So the probability of price going down was higher, and we have around a 20 to or 20 25 26 pip area to the left hand side. So in this scenario this makes sense, but the mistake that I've done, okay, so I've taken two trades. So first trade I took $12 loss. This was basically okay. I managed my risk because I, as soon as this candle broke the low, I kept my stop loss somewhere here, which was 12.15 pip stop loss, and I said to myself, no, this price action is not looking good. So let me manage risk and close the trade. But after that, what happened is this candle wicked up and started breaking the low again. Then I said, okay, if it is breaking the low, it should continue pushing to the downside since we are at high volume time. This trade was fine. The first entry was okay, but the second entry, I would say I should have waited for this 30-minute candle to at least close in my favor. And the next candle, the good sell would have been as soon as this candle closed below this support, and the next candle, so this was the next candle. So next candle, if it had wick up and started breaking the low of previous candle, it would have made sense to take a sell. But I kind of entered immediately and I lost both the trades. Let's just say I have lost both the trades, and let's analyze that why did I lose this trade. So it is important. It's not, you should not be focusing upon your losses like, okay, I lose now, it's done, now I have to, I'm a bad trader, or I have done something wrong. Yeah, definitely, there are few things that every trader, some days they do miss, because we are humans and we don't have control over on ourselves on for every day. It's really difficult to have that kind of self control and to maintain it every day. So here is the analysis that what I thought would have been appropriate for this trade. So let's just say we this is a 15-minute time frame, by the way. Let's just say we broke below this support area, which is perfectly fine. This candle broke the support. This candle, close a weak bearish candle. So whenever candle close with a weak body, it means the probability of price going down has become lower compared to going up. It doesn't mean that price should go up, but it just the probability is not there based upon price action. So remember, every time I'm seeing, see here is another example. If you look at this candle is a bearish candle. Now someone would say, someone would argue that this, since this is a bearish candle, we should, the next candle should pick up and start breaking the low and fill this wick. But if you look at the size of this candle, look at the size of this candle, it's so small, and look at the wick, this entire area, it's the wick. So it is a rejection candle. It is a bearish candle, but it is a rejection candle, and it means if the probability of price going down has become significantly lower compared to price going up. And price did exactly what we are saying. Price went up, price created higher high, and eventually later on it came down. But here price created a smaller body. I should have waited at least for 30-minute candle to close. This was a close of a 30-minute candle. If you look at 30-minute candle, this was a close of a 30-minute candle, and I should have waited for the next candle to print. This was the mistake that I did, that I ignored this 15-minute candle and I just jump on this trade. So this kind of, if you keep this kind of attitude towards trading, towards learning attitude, what you say, what are the mistakes? Why did I lose? If you lose one particular day, make a note of it, and you have to just go on to the next day and stop avoiding and start avoiding those mistakes. And this is how you're going to learn in the market. And also important that once you lose a trade, once you're done with your two trades, you should call it a day and come back next day. Because once you lose two trades a day, the emotions that you're going through, the emotions that you go through, then the kind of decisions, the kind of focus that you need, the kind of rational thinking that you require in the market, it just go down. And it's always better to, go come back next day and try this again, because when you come to the next day, you're definitely gonna win. It just call it a day, and having that kind of mindset is gonna take you, you know, at a very good level in trading. But if you just keep on revenge trading, and that okay, today I have lost the money and I should have get it back, this kind of attitude, it's not gonna work, because you're gonna fall into cycle of over trading and over risking, which is not good for them, which is why 90%, 90 to 95% of people lose in the in the forex. So thank you, I hope you have learned something from this. I hope you're getting value out of these videos. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing and keep sharing the content, and get more content and information regarding forex. Thank you so much.